Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Display Settings now. This puts controls front and center. Click Settings, then System, then Display. You want the Brightness section. Look for phrases like Adaptive Brightness, Auto Brightness, or Change Brightness Automatically. Why stop here? Because disabling automatic control prevents the system from overriding your preferred level. Once you find the toggle or link to advanced power settings, keep this window open and move to the next step. Don't close anything yet. Now you will turn off the adaptive features so the screen holds a steady level. In Display Settings, flip off the Adaptive Brightness toggle. If it's missing, open Power Options and edit your active plan. Under Advanced Settings, expand Display, then Adaptive Brightness, set both on battery and plugged into off. Do this because power plans can re-enable sensor control, and changing both ensures consistent behavior. Once done, apply and save. Make sure to test with manual brightness keys to confirm it stays fixed. Finalize by setting your desired brightness using the keyboard keys or the slider. This is the level the laptop should maintain now. If the auto setting returns, update the display and ambient light sensor drivers because outdated drivers can reintroduce automatic control. Also, check any manufacturer utility, Lenovo Vantage, Dell Power Manager, and disable auto brightness there. If problems persist, reboot and revisit power options. As a troubleshooting tip, uninstall and reinstall the ambient sensor driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.